Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a new box to my channel, and that is by NOVICA. This is the Undiscovered Seasonal Box, and this is for summer of 2022. Do you want to know what's in my box and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the summer box just arrived. They actually got a hold of me and asked if I'd be willing to show you guys a box, and I had never heard of this box before, but once I went to their website and I saw what it was about, I definitely wanted to show you guys. So I wrote them back and I was like, I would love to show your box to my viewers. Thank you so much. So if you have been following me, you know I absolutely love when companies get things from different countries, like artisanal products from all over the world. It makes you feel culturally traveled with staying safe at home, and I absolutely love that. And this one is really exciting because you actually get to pick a lot of the items that come in your box. So even though you do get some mystery items, you also get to choose which one you would like, so you can customize your box yourself. And I absolutely love that. So what I like to do when I bring a box to my channel for the very first time is tell you all of the information that I can find about the company, so we can kind of see what to expect, that kind of thing, before unboxing it. So the Ultimate Artisan Subscription Box. Explore a world of unique artisan boxes where customization rules and the choice is always yours. With every quarterly box, you'll discover the culture and traditions of a new region as you fill your box with handcrafted artisan products. Each customized box will include 5 exceptional fair trade treasures valued at $200 or higher for $59.99. Again, this is seasonal, so there's only 4 of them per year. Satisfaction is guaranteed and you can cancel at any time. So again, quarterly it's $59.99 and you will always receive $200 or higher in every box. You can customize each box with 5+ authentic handcrafted treasures. You also have access to 50% off dozens of exclusive add-ons, so you also can add things on at a discounted price to your box as well. And then it says all of the love, gift wrapped and shipped for only $3.99 to the US. That is very cheap for shipping, only $3.99 for this box. That's really good. They also have a really large online shop. So if you don't want to go straight to the subscription, but you want to shop all of their amazing products, you can shop their shop individually, and they have everything from unique gifts, jewelry, fashion, home goods, painting, and more. I will link them all down below. You can definitely go and check them out. So for this summer box, I'll read you a little bit of information that came from the email when they sent the letter to me introducing the company to me. So some points that I thought was great to tell you. NOVICA.com is debuting its new undiscovered, fully customizable quarterly subscription box for summer themed Magical Mexico to deliver 100% handmade fair trade treasures to your door from local artisans across the region. Discover disappearing arts and hidden skills from local artisans that have been passed down through generations by selecting 5 most beloved products from a specially curated selection of 24 homemade goods, ranging from jewelry and home decor to exotic gifts and lifestyle nomads. Summer edition is available from mid-May to mid-August. So you can get this box up until mid-August, and then they'll probably transition to their fall box. NOVICA is continuing to use businesses as a force for good as certified B Corp with esteemed fair trade practices to empower local artisans across the globe. NOVICA meets the highest standards of social and environmental accountability to empower local artisans and discover joy to customers around the world. So again, you get a nice travel experience staying safe at home from the comfort of your own home, delivered to your door. I really, really like that. And I love the fact that you can choose the items. So if you want to go through and have them selected for you as a surprise, you could do that, or you can go through and choose the ones that you would like for you, or keep in mind for gift ideas, that kind of thing. So let's dive in. Let's see what this is going to bring in the summer 2022 box. Again, I'm super excited when I bring new boxes, especially ones that have like things that I really, really love with like the fair trade items, all of that. So I'm so excited. Ooh, look at this box, you guys. Holy moly. when it said gift wrapped, I just thought meant like in the box. But it is literally, that is gorgeous. It is literally gift wrapped. I've never seen something so pretty as the presentation. Look at how the ribbon is even like folded like that with their logo, the NOVICA right there. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Like, I don't even want to open it. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, so before I just sit here and stare at this gorgeous presentation, let's open this. So can I just slide the ribbon? It's like, is it stuck on there? Yes, with a little bit of tape. Here we go. Let me just remove this. Have you guys ever seen such a nice presentation with it being gift wrapped like that? That is just so unique. The way that they did the ribbon, that is so cool. And you actually open it. It's like it is literally wrapped, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I'm so impressed by just the packaging already. I don't ever get to like open packages like this unless it's Christmas or my birthday. This is really neat. And you can have this experience 4 times a year. Christmas and your birthday added to. You can have it 6 times a year. Wow. Okay. And that paper was just really pretty too. Now I know that beautiful package was down inside of that box this whole time. And then it's in its own little box like this. Wow. I'm so baffled. And then this slides out. It's even wrapped up inside. So when we break the seal, that is how it looks when you first... I try to get you guys a better look of that. And, okay, good thing these did not break. Okay, let me set this back down. Let's grab, oh my goodness, even there. This company so far has put themselves so far away from any other box that I have seen. Nothing else can come back to this. Let me just tell you. Look at their pamphlet. They even take the time to put a little... I've never seen this before. Okay, so let's open up the card. Like, I've never seen that before. So it says the journey has just begun. And then you get to open it up here. So it says Undiscovered Mexico. There's literally questions and answers in here that you can go through and read and learn more about it. And on the back, there is a recipe for guacamole. I love me some guacamole. That is really neat that there is a recipe card back there. So what they did is they actually let me select a few of the items so I can experience this whole thing like you would if you were purchasing it. So I'm going to show you the items that I know that I selected, which they're inside of here, which were these little like shot glasses. Oh my gosh, these are even prettier in person. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. The website picture does these no justice. I mean, I thought these looked really cute in the picture, but for one, they're bigger than I thought they were, and they are just so much more detailed, and I love blue. Look at these shot glasses. Even if you're not a drinker, you can always use these for other things, or you can leave one in your bathroom if you want to rinse your mouth out after you brush your teeth kind of thing, or you can put some like pins or something in them and just use like as like a little holder. You can really use these for anything, but the design on them are so pretty. This is kind of like not a smooth finish, but the inside is all a smooth finish that goes to the rim. And then you just have a little bit of the smoothness on the design. But those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm more shocked by how they look in my hands than they did online. And they're even like, they have like, whoever made them probably signed the bottom of them. That is so neat. Okay, so now in here is another thing that I got to choose. And I'm really excited. It is definitely got the blues. So then here's this little card. Does it go over more information on it? Yes. Okay. Does this one go with the... Yes. So there's a little card that goes with each one as well. So this is for these. Crafted by hand. These tequila cups are gorgeous. So these are considered tequila cups, but again, you can use them for anything. So the maker hand makes these out of ceramics and then paints them. So the card for this one shows Brilliant Sunflower. This is handcrafted and it is a petite jewelry box. And it can hold all your little treasures with the lid having the sunflower. The bottom is definitely signed. There's some tape to hold it together, so let's remove that. I love this color too, like that blue is super pretty. You can use these for anything. You can use them as a trinket dish, a jewelry dish. You can use it for anything. You can put crystals in it. You can put potpourri in it, any little things, or just let it sit out and just look pretty like it does. And you have this really nice handcrafted, hand-painted jar for anything. That is so neat. Okay, so moving right along, we have like a postcard, San Manuel. It says something in Spanish. I know it says thank you, but I guess you can send this to somebody or you can save it for your travel experience that you just went to. So you do have a postcard. That is really neat. We have something in this little pouch. And these little bags you can always reuse or repurpose for anything. And then, oh yeah, there was several different jewelry pieces. And this is the one that I chose because I just thought this one was really, really pretty. And I love the color. And it says $9.25, so it's sterling silver. It's like a little teardrop. And it says Heaven's Tears. A teardrop of natural turquoise reveals heaven's hues in this necklace. Simple and classic with a feeling of old world charm. So that is actual turquoise. And again, on the back where I said it says $9.25, there is the stamp. So it is the $9.25. It has a small chain, but you can always switch it out to any chain if you have another one, because that definitely is a small chain. I don't even think it would fit around my neck. But I can always put it on any other longer chain that I already have to wear, and I got to choose it. Now we have something else in another little bag. And down in here, it looks like maybe it's like a little bracelet. This one didn't have the little card in it to tell me more information. Yeah, it looks like it's a cute little bracelet. So then let me put it on this side. Oop, I don't want to break it. Very nice and dainty with the little beads. And I love those colors. So there is a bracelet. Next in here, is this the tortilla warmer? I think this is, there was like a tortilla holder or a tortilla warmer that I saw. It says, woven on a traditional backstrap loom, this pretty tortilla holder is a cheerful addition on the table. And it's a round tortilla holder from pure cotton in orange and off-white. So let's remove this. Oop. So then you just open it up, put your tortillas in there. That would be nice if it can keep them kind of warm in there as well. But there's that, your little tortilla holder. And then there is one other thing in here. It says, coloring postcards, relax and be creative. I chose this one. I remember now. I thought this was a CD. I'm like, ooh, what am I going to be listening to? That is a neat way to like store stuff in a CD holder. So this is what the outside looks like. And then all of the different cards that you can color will be right here. There's a wolf. And there's an armadillo. Aww. This one looks like a little, I don't know if it's like an anteater with wings or something. I don't know, but that looks so cute. Well, here's a turtle. That one is adorable. Little king of the jungle. Here's some pretty macaws. The manatee. And there is the last one right there. So yeah, I thought we were going to be listening to some music, but we're going to be coloring some postcards. Being proud of my Mexican roots and desiring to raise awareness of the beautiful endemic animals at risk of extinction, I created these postcards of my drawings to be colored and kept or to be given away. So yeah, you have all of those that you can either color or gift. I've never seen anything in a little CD case like that before. So that is everything that came in this seasonal summer box, you guys. You have the adult coloring pages. There is a postcard. You have a tortilla warmer. There is a bracelet. This really cute sunflower jewelry or any kind of container. These adorable tequila drinking shot glasses or for whatever you would like. There's this turquoise necklace, and then you have that beautiful packaging that came with it too. So again, that is everything that came in this summer box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this box? Again, I've never heard of it, but I think it is super, super neat that they go to different regions every season. So 4 times a year, and you get to have a little culture experience wherever they go and take you. And I love the fact that you can pick the items that you would like. So you're going to be curating your box to whatever suits your needs or anybody else's that you might like, but at least you can choose them yourself. And I absolutely love that. So that is everything again for this box. Please comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.